Hi, Richard. So recently on Twitter, you've been tweeting about rubbing your hands together and then feeling the energy in between. What is that all about, and how does it relate to quantum touch?
All right. This was an exercise I put in my book, Your Healing Hands, The Polarity Experience, that came out in 1978. And then I was delighted to see Mr. Miyagi doing this in the Karate Kid, because what is the purpose of rubbing the hands or slapping them? Or it's not static electricity. What it is by rubbing the hands together for 3, 5 seconds, whatever, what happens is when you stop, you feel your hands vibrating and tingling, which simulates running energy. You see, it's bringing all your awareness to your hands. And for another minute or two, you're essentially kind of faking it. You're running energy through your hand, but you're not doing the whole body. See, when you run it through the whole body, you're accessing all the chakras, all the energy centers of the body, which is much better than just doing this. This is a shortcut, and it kind of works, but I didn't understand it. I knew it worked, and I put it in my Quantum Touch, The Power to Heal book because it was working, and it's great, but I didn't understand it as deeply as I do now. So as an exercise, and it's really fun, if you rub your hands together, and you might do it right now, and then hold them apart and bring them together and feel the different places. Oh, can I feel more sensation? Oh, it's kind of like when I get over the palms, I tend to feel more. Try pressing it, compressing it, almost like it's magnetic. It has this kind of sensation. It's not magnetic, it's not electromagnetic, but it's a sensation. Oh, there's something going on here. What is this? Have somebody put one of their hands between your two hands after they rub their hands. Have one hand's in the middle, and you're doing this, and you're going, and then what I used to do, and I kind of astounded a lot of people, I'd say, are you feeling it most strongly right there? And I point to where I was feeling it. So my palms are going crazy when I get over the spot, a certain spot on them. And they're going, how did you know? Well, that's where I feel it. Every time I'm over that spot, it's just, the energy gets expanded massively. So it's a fun little thing that you can do. And it's a great way of exploring. It's like training wheels for learning how to run energy. It's a fun way to get started. And then later on, you never have to do it again. You're just moving the energy, and you don't need to put the wheels back on the back of the bicycle anymore. You know how to ride.
Amazing. Great. So I hope everybody plays with that little technique and has fun with it. Thank you, Richard.
Thank you.